السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أنا فرح فني جانك عندنا سؤال ما نوفيشل. ما أنت برنامج كأنه محاوي إنجليز كذا أنا آخرنا سأقول كأنه مدو كله برنامج كأنه حفظ نفسي هاي محمد صلاح مو صلاح لاعب وين إيجيبتيان. ما أنت فافين محمد سوانين إسلام مركب فافين إسلام كسور دواو.
Yes.
يا ريان كم محمد صلاح أقرب في إنجليز هاي. Start.
Salah home advantage and history makes Egypt favorite. Hosts Egypt are favorite not only they win Group A at those 2019 African Cup of Nations that kicks off today, but go on and lift the trophy and record extending 8 times. They possess insane Liverpool score Mohamed Salah in African spaces and can exert potential support as they seek a first title since earning Ghana in 2010 final. Egypt has forced all their group rival and Democratic Republic of Congo, Rwanda and Zimbabwe before at the Cup of Nations winning 7 matches and losing only 1. Right.
أيه ما حكى لهم أنت ده ولا مستري لا يا
Okay.
ما أنت اللي بأخذ إزاي
Okay. Egypt have forced all the group rivals and Democratic Republic of Congo, Rwanda and Zimbabwe before all the Cup of Nations winning 7 matches and losing only 1. While the hosts are poised on top the standing, there is title of choose between the other 3 teams at the top 2 finishers granted round of 16 place. They can draw confidence from understanding the record when they host the best African national teams. They won in 1959, 1986 and 2006 and finished that in 1974 after coming up short of 5 goal semi-final there against one of Capons there. Now they are Congo, the Democratic Republic of Congo. Salah home advantage and history makes them favorite. Then 2 times champions, DR Congo struggle out to qualify with the referees 1-0 last match, win over modest Liberia and Kinshasa, screening them through as the runners of Benefic Zimbabwe. An experienced squad, the communities and extremely unpredictable when it comes to the Cup of Nations, as their last 2 appreciate democratic. They could be heading home after first round or reach the quarterfinal. Manuel, after going that 9 years without qualifying since 1978, runners after host Ghana, Rwanda will make back-to-back appearances in the Cup of Nations. They had a comfortable qualifying passage under French coach Sebastian Despair, not losing all contests in 5 matches before I died. Right? Okay.
na English kan saa u qatarsan oo si wariyaha amal u aqrinus inta soo barada
I'm from United States, you know. I'm not Somali.
inta ku taala
United States for America.
wallahi billahi English kida dala dhacdo hoos ku soo qor
Comment.
barnaamijkeena
I will sing.